Right, yes, hi all. So yeah, just brought myself a brand new product. So in here we've got a Creworks 2 litre digital ultrasonic cleaner, £65. So it took literally 3 days to arrive, and I've got this so that I can just clean various parts, but specifically my DeLorean cold start valve, which I did run through a cleaner a couple of years ago, but probably need to do it again. So I thought, you know what, we'll invest in my own one this time. And I say this, it cost 65 and literally took 3 days to arrive. So I thought I should do a quick unboxing. So I've literally not even looked at it or opened this yet. So get this beauty out. Oh, here we go. Put that there. Okay. Right, let's have a quick look at this then, shall we? So spec wise, got it written down here. So we've got 40 kilohertz frequency, 60 watts of ultrasonic power, 1000 PA pressure, 200 watt heating element. And actually that was quite high, that was, because most of them I looked at were sort of around 100 watts of heating power. This new had 200 on it, so it can obviously warm the unit and warm the cleaner itself. Obviously you probably can just put your own warm water in for a start as well, I expect. But yeah, look at that. So it's all in black, looks good. So on here you've got so you've got time in here, obviously, and temperature in here, so what you're setting it to maximum and what the temperature actually is at that moment, and how many minutes and seconds you want it to run. There's a degas function on there as well. I'm not sure what that's for yet. I'll read the instructions. And there's also a gentle mode as well, so rather than going the full power, the full sort of 60 watts of ultrasonic power, you can do I think you can do 30 watts if you put it in gentle mode. Yes, that all looks good on there. Let's have a quick look at this. It's a 2 litre one, and I think it said that the actual cleaning sort of capacity was like 1.5 litres, because obviously you've got about half litre underneath the basket, and there's some details on the back there, so it looks good. So yep, I'm pretty sure, yeah, like I say, it's probably 2 litres altogether, but say when the basket's in, a bit less than that. So let's look at this then. We've got stainless steel basket, the instructions there, which look good. Quick look at those, some details there. So my one's this one on the left hand side, the YM12A, in case anyone wants to have a look at the details. So that's it there. So that's cool. And we've got the power cable. Yeah, perfect. Also looks great quality. And then there is a lid in here as well. Grab that out. So to just keep the temperature in. So great, yeah, great stuff. And basically what happens is you put your device in here. You know, you can either put it straight in the basket, depending of course what it is, or you can sort of, if you don't want to submerge it fully, you know, you can hang it using like cable ties, for example, secured on the edges. So if you've got, say, a cold start valve like I've got, and you don't necessarily want the plug, the actual socket in the fluid, you can obviously like suspend it in there, or you can maybe rest it on the side, I'm not sure, but there's obviously, that's why they give you things like this basket here. So that's great. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to get my cold start valve out, get the cleaning product in here, get this warmed up, and then to be honest with you, just put it in and, you know, try it. Right then, yes, so just quickly put some fluid in there, half full. So that's obviously got clean water plus a little bit of cleaning fluid. Lids on, and came on straight away on to 16. So I just, and it came on to 50 by default. So what I did is I cranked this down to 25, as you see here, and just press the on button here. So now that's now going to heat the fluid inside up to 25 degrees. And obviously I could put the item in now and just crack on and do it, but what I thought I would do for this test is just not switch the ultrasonic aspect on yet, just see how the temperature goes and how long it takes to get 25 degrees. Cool. Right then, yes, so that took about 5 minutes to get up to 33, so it's almost at 35 degrees. Actually, I actually just read the manual, it said sort of ideally run it, you know, warmer than 25, so cranked up to 33. Set the timer here for 5 minutes as well, and just resting here, so I don't want to get the connector in the water. Don't know if it particularly matters or not, but didn't really want it in there. So yeah, I'm going to switch it on now and see how it goes. Perfect. Hear me, you can so I'm going to let it run now for 5 minutes and then come back to it after that. Right, so that's done. So it's on the good temperature down there. Bear in mind the lid's off, so you can see in the bottom of the tank, you know, all the crap that came out of it or off it. So yeah, there's quite a lot of crap in there. Clearly, that was obviously mint earlier. Of course, much of that will be from the outside, but then definitely a lot will be from the inside. So the next plan for me is, I mean, that could be done, but what I'm going to do is I'll just rig together this and a battery. I'm going to connect connectors on there, make sure obviously safe, and then what I'm going to do is I can then run it again and then connect the power on and off here in order to open up this valve. And obviously that will then help sort of agitate and clear any crap through, because my fault for this is that the valve is operating, but it's basically seeping. So when the car's off, it's just dripping fuel basically into the engine. So that's my problem. So yeah, let me try it again and see if by agitating it using the power, if that then causes more crap basically to come out. Cool. Right, and yep, so here's the technique. So yeah, I've got it suspended in there. Got the wires on, make sure nothing's in a short circuit or touch. Got a battery, so just a quick sort of test. So you can hear it actuating as I do that. I'm hoping, see, by doing that, see, I mean, you can see at the bottom there, I'm hoping by doing that, you know, so it's definitely doing, obviously it's doing something, but it looks like it's actually doing something beneficial by doing that. So hopefully it's the case for me, it's opening up the valve and then clearing, hopefully, the blockage that's causing it to stay on. Right, so I'm going to give it some time on the machine. Back, so I would absolutely say that technique of dabbing on and off is definitely working. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it run now, do some more dabbing basically until no more crap comes out of that sender. Right, yes, last bit, it's working really well. So I'm just going to quickly just show you the difference in sound for the degas function and also the quiet function, or the basic function. So the gentle function, to be precise. Okay. Press gentle. And then the degas function. Yeah, and that's it really. So to be honest with you, that's really nice unit. Tons and tons of craps come out. So hopefully it's you know, gonna fix my fault. But either way, it's certainly a great cleaning. Highly recommend this product. Absolutely top notch. It's this one here, Creworks Ultrasonic Cleaner 2 litre, £65 on eBay. Cheers. Yeah, sorry, just the last one just to run through it. So what I did, obviously just took it out, held it here, ran some brake cleaner or car brake cleaner, we're going to run through it. Just ran it through it whilst operating this on and off. And obviously you'll see basically the water product come out, which you can see there. And then I just ran it literally until it was just pure cleaning product, pure brake cleaner basically through it afterwards. So, and it just dropping out lovely. So hopefully that sorted it. Looking in the tank here, you can see, get the stick in there. I mean, all of those black marks, that's all crap basically from it. So yeah, we'll see if it works. Give it a go now, but I certainly love the product. Really good. Cheers.